For this video, I launched my drone from our home going straight up to almost 400 feet to get video of the refilling of Lake Yvette. For the entire mission, the drone hovered directly over the launch pad as I controlled the camera. I love the view from here. If you spend all your time at ground level, it's hard to get a good feel for the surrounding terrain. My drone has two cameras, a standard 24mm wide-angle and a 70mm telephoto. Everything you've seen so far was recorded with a wide-angle lens. We are now switching to the telephoto lens. The waters around the dam look pretty good. There's a lot of nice blue water. As the view shifts closer to the shallow headwaters, we see more sand and mud and thicker vegetation. If you look closely, you can see a small bird flying over the water. We can see lots of sand here where there should be water. As we get closer to the headwaters, we see mostly sand and vegetation. We have now arrived at the headwaters and we can conclude this video. Overall, I think we're making pretty good progress. Thanks for watching.